Tip with Cimex USA. We're going to do some commercial carpet cleaning here. I'm going to go through on a couple of the bigger stains and kind of pre-spot them a little bit. Then we'll go through with our encapsulation machine and show you how it's done. Alright, we've already filled the machine with water. We're going to put 4 ounces per gallon of our crystallizing cleaner in here. The best way to do it is to fill it about quarter way. Add your chemical, and then fill it the rest of the way up. 4 ounces per gallon when the carpet's dirty, 2 ounces per gallon when it's not. So you fill it right in the tank, fill it up to just below the Cimex lettering here on the tank. Then you're going to put your pad drivers on. Your pad drivers, you just line up the pins, and you tap them on. And then take your fiber pad, put one on each one. The easiest way to put the head down is if you put your foot behind the wheel, slightly push back on the handle, and then just turn the head down and set it down. That's the easiest way to do that. What you're going to do next is come back to the back of the machine here. Your handle adjustment here, you just lift it up, push it forward a little bit. You have to hold the adjustment here so it makes it down the teeth, and just set it wherever it's comfortable for you, and just latch it back in. What I'll generally do is I'll get set where I want to start my cleaning. And the biggest thing is, since there's no water on these pads yet, is you want to let out a little bit of the water into the pad. Make sure your valve is on right here for your water flow. That allows the water to come down the hose into the head. Give a couple squeezes just to start the water flow to your pad. You want to take just a little bit of weight off of the head. You don't want to lift the head up. You want to take just enough weight off of the head so that it doesn't put as much strain on the motor to start. Electric motors always take more current, more amps to start than they do once they're running. So you just take a little bit of weight off and start the head up. And then what you're looking for here is just a light foam, just like that. You're doing about 1/4